Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Freedom Coin. Now the Freedom Coin is just about to be listed on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Freedom Coin. So Freedom Coin is just about to be listed December 1st, 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there in the description box, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Freedom, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the Freedom Coin. It is that easy. So December 1st, 14 hours UTC time on Mexc Global. That's where you can get it. So, if you want to find more information about this token, you can head over to their Twitter at _free_coin. And they have over 100,000 followers, 100,500 Twitter followers. So they're doing very well, very active on Twitter, 3,353 tweets. If you head over to their official webpage, that is freedom-coin.com, you can find a full white paper over there. It's a 13-page PDF. It's going to give you all the info you need. So this is a social project to promote cryptocurrency usage and increase global wealth. So the Freedom Coin, very tiny print, by the way. Goal of the free coin, so you can call it the Freedom Coin or the free coin, both names they go by here. The free project coin has 3 main objectives. Number 1 is to support the mass adoption of cryptocurrency. Number 2, make cryptocurrency inclusive, allow also access to cryptocurrency profits to people with less financial means, create global wealth by creating a payment coin without inflation. The free coin is free from control from banks, companies, institutions, and governments. The free coin is of the people, by the people, and for the people. So 2017 was the year of public breakthrough for cryptocurrencies. We saw an explosive increase of prices of the different cryptocurrencies and abundance of crypto projects being launched. As a result, crypto became hot news, and even governments and central banks started studying cryptocurrency as a disruptive transformation of the worldwide financial system. By the end of 2017, more than 2,500 different cryptocurrencies were officially listed at different exchanges, and many more were being traded without officially listing. And however, the number of people that participated actively in the cryptocurrency trade was still very limited. Less than 1% of the population was actively investing in crypto. Different studies indicate that as of 2018, there will be a start of mass adoption for crypto. This acceptance of cryptocurrency will vary in function. So like age would be a different one, location, education, stuff like that. As of 2018, we will see a massive inflow of capital to invest in cryptocurrencies. It goes over the reasons why. We don't need to go over that. So the challenge for the free project, the demand of crypto will explode. Billions of people will want to invest in crypto, and then the banks and companies will also want to invest. However, the current cryptocurrencies are not suited for mass adoption. look at Bitcoin, Ether, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, Monero, etc. The available supply of these coins is expressed in millions, not in billions. Suppose that 1 billion people are going to invest in Bitcoin or Litecoin or Bitcoin Cash. The price will increase so much that these coins will become useless as an exchange of value because the transactions would have to be executed as many decimal points that it would become unreadable for humans. I mean, I totally disagree with that, but I mean that's their opinion. I totally disagree, especially Bitcoin. That would be the point. So the point. I mean, if Bitcoin got so big that 1 billion people invested in it, right? Then a couple people dumping their coins, even whales, wouldn't make that much of a difference. So, I mean, early adopters, like people right now who invested in Bitcoin, would be doing amazing, obviously, if that happened. But at that point, it would be money that would have, gold, I guess, that would have, no inflation and, not be able to be altered and would be fine. Even if companies dumped or whatever, then the price wouldn't change that much. So that would be the point, right? Anyways, read the Bitcoin standard. You'll get a better idea. To support the mass adoption, the free project will deliver a free coin which has a supply which is high enough to be used by every person on Earth, is launched at the price so low. Also, people with less financial means can own free coins. Well, anybody, I don't agree with a lot of these things here. Free coin, which can be used in real life to store and transfer value and perform payments in e-commerce and shops and vending machines, and active promotion and support the people worldwide to adopt crypto at a low cost. Now, yeah, so I agree with what they're saying about their own coin for the most part, but to kind of throw other coins under the bus is a little unnecessary because they're almost identical. Really, when you think about it, what's the difference? So anyways, let's go over the roadmap here. So they started with Freecoin being created, Freecoin listed on 16 different exchanges, community reaches 15,000 people, Freecoin listed on more exchanges, listed on Bitberry Wallet, listed on Swift Pay, and then different Korean exchanges. Now they're being listed on Mexc Global. Almost their whole roadmap here is just listings. And eventually they're going to have a web shop being launched here. Their white paper you could check out. They have a little bit of team information on there. But yeah, this token is going to be listed December 1st on Mexc Global. So check out that Mexc Global referral code. Not a lot of utility for this token. It's basically just a coin for freedom. So, I don't know. Their pinned tweet is talking about how their progress here, so check that out. On Twitter, they have a lot of Twitter followers, over 100,000 Twitter followers. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc Global one, and leave a comment. What do you guys think about Freedom Coin? Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.